Okay, fucking update here, folks. The fucking video card took a shit, man. Fucking, so we took his video card out of his old computer, and everything's running smooth.
That's fucking bullshit.
Yeah, it is. It's bull fucking shit, too.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new. Look, don't buy this.
Brand new.
Do not buy this. It's a Radeon HD 4770. It came in the combo with.
Now it's a combo deal.
Yeah, now it's a combo deal.
You can't send this back.
Can't send just a video card back, which really sucks, but that's okay. I guess we'll live with it, man. Fucking, it's $119. Big fucking deal.
Oh yeah.
But
I wiped my
everything's working now. Look at it. It's fucking beautiful. Look at it glow. Everything works. It's still shutting down. I don't know why, because it's Windows Shista. That's why, Shista. Oh, yeah. Alright, but anyways, that's the way it goes, you see. Anybody can put together a computer.
Even with beer.
Yes, especially with beer.